Am I recording? Alright. Hey everybody, my name is Miles. I just bought my very first diesel truck. It is a 1999 F-250 Super Duty with a 7.3 liter diesel engine on it. Aftermarket, it has a Super Chip TS chip in it. It has a Banks 6-gun tuner. It has an aftermarket turbo, K&N air intake, Banks exhaust. It has a couple other things to it. The reason why I'm making this video is because it has a rough problem at idle. It sounds like it has a very, very big cam lobe in it, and it varies as I adjust the Banks 6-gun tuner. Now, I heard that these Ford Power Strokes, the 7.3s, are notorious for the valve cover gasket wiring harness going bad on them. And I was told by the previous owner that that is more than likely the problem, that's sending the wrong the signal to the wrong fuel injector, and it's making it have a rough idle. Now, once it gets up and goes, it's fine. It's not perfect, but it's a lot better than it is at idle. So I was making this video to show you guys exactly what it does and get your guys' input on it, whether or not it is the wiring harness for it, or if it's a fuel injector or something else. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. This morning when I started it up. It started fine. I had to give it a little bit of gas, but it didn't really idle that rough. But once it got warmed up, it started idling a lot rougher. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you exactly what it does here, and take it out for a test drive, and you guys let me know what you think. I gotta jump up in here. My Nerf bar's broken. So you guys see here, I gave it a little bit of gas for the Nerf bar. Let's turn this wheel here so y'all can see. Alright. So right there it is. Here's my Banks 6-gun controller right there. And right now I'm sitting on 1. I'll turn it up to 2. That's 3. That's 4. That's 5. And that's 6. You hear the idle right now. I'm gonna turn it back to 1 because I like to save gas. Put it back. 0. Alright. Back to 1. No, that's 2. There we go. Yeah. After you give it gas, it's fine. I'll go ahead and pop the hood for you. I'll show you underneath the hood. Listen, you can definitely hear the mist with it. And that engine is shaking quite a bit. It rocks the entire truck every now and then. But I'm gonna go ahead and take you for a drive and show you what it's like. Alright, here we go. Again, this is just on the number 1 for the Banks. Pull one out of the parking lot here. I said, once I get it up to about 40 miles per hour, it's okay. But after that, after I'm just coasting below 40, it starts to idle really rough. So we'll get up to speed here. See? I'm gonna make that red light. See? It's fine right now. It's got a little bit of idle to it. But as soon as I drop it back down below, it starts to idle again. Hopefully you guys can hear this. Yeah. When I went and bought the truck from the guy, I took a look at it a couple times. I test drove it, and it wasn't nearly as bad as what it is now. When I went and picked it up, the guy drove it to the loan office, and he had the bank set on 6, and it was really idling rough when I first took it out. That's on 6 there. Turn it back down. That's probably gonna be a horrible video. See, it's fine right now, but it's gonna slow down eventually. It's gonna start acting like it's got that cam lobe and it start idling really rough. There it is. Pull over here. Alright. Another thing to note, when you're in drive, like I said, it's got that rough idle, so it kind of wants to pull you forward. You put it in neutral, it's going to have a different idle. It's not as rough, it's still there though. And same thing in park. So, again, like I said, I believe it's the valve cover harness that's burnt up to it and sending the signals to the wrong injectors. Possibly a fuel injector or two might be bad. So, your guys' input, suggestions, be much appreciated. Like I said, it's my first diesel. I'm fairly new to it, so I'm still learning everything. So, I love to see what you guys have to say. Thanks.